part of the design phase can be creating your ejector pin marks on bosses, on parts of the product itself where you can machine away later. But designing the ejector pin marks into the process where it's not critical, or it's something that we can work around maybe in secondary operations here.
The bigger the surface area, the more you're going to want to have so you can evenly eject it, so there's no torque happening when it's coming out of the mold. So those are a lot of things to consider too, is just how evenly you can eject the part out without causing any distortion.
Yeah, you design it wrong and you can twist the part. You could, if you put a ejector pin mark on a really small surface area too, you could end up shooting it up into the casting, and that's
Poke
something.
a hole.
Exactly. Better way to say it.
Unintentional core hole.
Yep. So that's something you definitely want to look at. And again, we work very interactive with our clients to make sure that we work that type of stuff out, or really try to pinpoint where we might see some of those issues, and try to design it out before the mold's even cut.
Yep.